Welcome to Learning Activity 7. This is our final unit that talks specifically about theories that you use in teaching science and that also apply to other content areas as well. So with this one, you're going to be looking at environmental education, argumentation, and inquiry, and then kind of finding some articles that relate to that, just like you've done before. You've got another option of the free choice assignment, either a paper or a video. And then you're going to have your small group discussion, the second one over your semester project. And then you're going to complete your third module for NSTA. Remember that should connect back to your semester project. All right, so the checklist, make sure we're good on everything in there for you guys. So you're reviewing each of them. I would suggest that you jot down your notes in one spot so that when you turn all of this in, this posting the position paper, all of this above is included in that. You don't have a discussion on that this time. NSTA Module 3, everyone posts and everyone responds to at least 2 people. Make sure you have gone in and put it in the correct grade level, grade band, and give meaningful feedback because that's very helpful for your classmates. Ask questions, things of that nature. So as before, you have some of these give you 2 different pages to choose from. Make sure that you were signed in through your UWG account because it's not, some of them are set to where they won't work unless you're in that UWG platform. As before, you see this, you need to go out and find one research-based article. And when I say research-based, I know most of you have figured this out already, but you can go to what's called Google Scholar and type in the topic, and all of those are going to be research-based for the most part. But it's a nice resource for any of your classes in the future too. So create something interesting for me there, and then things to turn in. All of the notes that you've created as you went through those web pages, if you choose to write a paper, if you choose to do a video, whatever you choose to do for this synthesis gets turned in here. You can submit as many files as you want. That's kind of an open Dropbox. And then your NSTA Module 3, again, when you come into that, you will see the 2 grade levels, and you will post it to the one that's most appropriate for you. And then finally, your discussion over the semester project. I have said that you don't have to have a face-to-face discussion or a hangout discussion. It works better if you do, but that's up to you. What I would like, we're going to do something a little different this time. I would like for 2 people that are in that group, 1 or 2 people, to turn in the notes with a synthesis so that it's easier for other people to see it. I'll create another Dropbox for each individual to kind of write their progress and kind of an update from me on what you're doing for that unit, for that project itself. But I think this is it, and should be going pretty well on your semester project.